To be young and in love in New York City. Do not know who I am, but still know that I'm good long as you're here with me. To be drunk and in love in New York City. Midnight into morning coffee, burning through the hours talking. Damn, I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you. I knew from the first time I'd stay for a long time, 'cause I like me better when I'm with you. I don't know what it is, but I got that feeling. Waking up in this bed next to you, swear the room, yeah, got no ceiling.
My dearest sweetheart, Isa, I can't even begin to tell you how much you mean to me. We've been through so much together. The journey was a roller coaster ride. We didn't come out of it unscathed, but we came out of it with a love the strongest it could ever be. I used to believe that serendipity was only in the fairy tales, and that real life was nowhere close to it, destined for each other.
Every breath holds a moment, everyone a chance to take. You can see if you close your eyes. We already know the way. Forever you and me, running wild and free, chasing down the sun. Oh, we've just begun. It's a winding road of all the places we will go.
Cheers!
There's a stirring in the ocean. There's a rhythm in the waves. It's a calling deep within your bones, and it cannot be contained.
Isa, you take Paulo here present for your lawful husband, according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church.
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes, I do.
We will go.
Carlo and Isa, it's not a matter of age, and I hope you find each other as your prince and princess to live happily ever after. Amen?
Forever you and me, running wild.
You are my everything. The first thing I want to see in the morning, and the last thing I want to see when I close my eyes. I love you to the moon and back, 1,000,000 times over.